So ever since I got this new phone, my favorite part about it was just being able to toss it on the charger and letting it charge while I go about my life. Not only this, but random things like my AirPods I can also just toss on and go about my life. And obviously the E46 that we all know and love is very old now. This is a 2002, and so that means it's about to come up on 20 years old. That being said, the features of this car are pretty old and archaic. There's definitely no modern amenities really that you could say. I mean, compared to the E36, it's a lot more modern, but in today's standards, it's nothing.
So today, I got something pretty cool in this box here. So I'm gonna turn this channel into a little unboxing channel real quick, and let's get cracking into this. All right, you guys ready? Drum roll. Ta-da! Alright, so as you can see, you guys might just be thinking this is a regular cup holder for my car, but right here is a wireless charger. Definitely is gonna, modernize this car a little bit. And let me show you guys. I mean, my cup holder is very crusty. The E46s have this kind of like soft touch material on everything, and obviously as the years go by they get really gross, so finally get to replace this out. Pretty sure, no, this goes too, so this whole portion gets replaced by this. Today's video is going to be filmed a little different. Usually I'm always just behind the camera. Today I'm showing you guys a little bit of me. I'm also going to be putting a GoPro on that I'm borrowing from my mom, and I'll use that to film, so that way I could show you guys all the little details of me taking apart the center console and putting the whole assembly in and whatnot. So I'm going to get started. Alright, so for starters I'm going to be taking out this part. Super simple, literally just yank it out. This stuff is garbage. Pretty nasty in here. This is the aux cable I had installed before I installed my blue bus. Anyway, next up I'm going to be taking this shift boot out. Damn, this thing's hard to get out. Alright, next up you want to be taking these Phillips heads out. Alright, now with those two screws out, you should be able to kind of move everything around. You should be able to take this out. You want to unplug everything like such. Now you can take this centerpiece out. I'm not doing this too great. There we go. Now that comes out. Put that to the side. That thing's a fresh piece, so you don't want to ruin that either. Move this to the side. Alright, next up, more Phillips heads. So these two at the bottom here. And I'm pretty sure these are all the same, so I don't really think you gotta really remember which one goes where. Pretty simple. I hope you guys are seeing this alright. This is my first time using a GoPro here. Alright, next up you want to yank this piece out. It should just yank out like that. There we go. Also want to be careful with these if yours are in good condition. That to the side. Oh, well, hopefully didn't scratch that. And there's two more Phillips heads right here. What's different about this GoPro is that I have it clipped onto my hat, and the hat sits really low. It's really heavy. And I also don't even know if you guys are seeing everything, but I hope you guys are. Okay, now that those are all undone, this thing should kind of move freely on its own. There we go. And this is what we wanted to get to right here. Are these two connections right here? Because this is exactly where our new wireless charger is going to plug into. First, I'm going to be taking this. You want to take your wires you have right here and wire it through just like I had the aux wired through. Alright, so that feels like it's in. Next up, I got to figure out this wiring here. As you can see, there's two little pins here for the cigarette lighter. Ground is on the right, power's on the left. So that's on, and then all you do is connect these same ones here. I guess let's just try it out. Let's see. Nothing. Oh, is this on the wrong spot? Is this supposed to be like that? Oh, there we go. Charge. There we go. Very successful. Very easy. As you guys saw, it probably took like a few minutes. Would be quicker if I wasn't so dumb about it. Now it's time to put everything back and then we're good to go. I'll leave the link to it down below. There's the trash truck. I don't really have much else to say about it. It's pretty cool. It does kind of, like, my phone's still charging right now. The car's off. I don't really know if that's just gonna stay on forever or if it's gonna ever turn off. I never really use a cigarette lighter, so I don't really know how long it usually stays on or off. Hopefully it turns off though. I'll keep you guys updated. Hopefully my car battery doesn't die. But yeah, super simple install today. Probably a really short video. Thank you guys for watching. Consider subscribing if you haven't yet. Adios.